I'm Holter Graham, coming to you from Jiminy Peak in the Berkshire Mountains of Massachusetts. Jiminy Peak Mountain Resort holds the distinction of being one of the cleanest and most energy-efficient ski resorts in America. Today, we're going to get an inside look at everything this mountain has to offer and see exactly how these slopes are built green.
Here, conservation starts at nearly half a mile above sea level. Just off the mountain's westernmost run sits the country's only privately owned wind turbine.
In August of 2007 at Jiminy Peak, we installed the very first megawatt-class wind turbine at a private organization or a private company in the United States.
With 9 ski lifts, 3 lodges, and 350 snowmaking guns, wind power provides 33% of their power needs, while decreasing emissions, lowering their environmental impact, and conserving water.
When we built the turbine and did all the construction in the base area, we specifically connected it so it powers our lifts, our snowmaking, and our lighting.
So Jiminy for decades has worked really hard to try and reduce, conserve, recycle, and has really made it a habit with our staff and employees.
If you take the whole package of what goes on at Jiminy, from water conservation to improving your snowmaking process so you're wasting less energy in order to make a water droplet get crystallized, to paying attention to the volume of water going to our treatment plant, all of those things probably get culminated by what we did with the wind turbine.
This was the biggest project that Jiminy has tackled on the environmental front. For the 15 years or so before we installed the turbine, we've always done green things.
Here at the base of the Zephyr wind turbine, there's a 12 million gallon reservoir that Jiminy Peak put in up here at the top of the mountain. When the streams are running high, they can put the water here in this reservoir so they don't ever have to endanger the water flow in the streams. And then they use this to make snow on the bottom third of the mountain. And since it's the bottom third, it's below this reservoir, so all of the pressure they get is from gravity, so there's no extra energy used. So it's water and energy conservation.
Finally, the resort uses water-conserving toilets, shower heads, and urinals, creating a getaway that's not only stylish, comfortable, and fun, but sustainable too.
When we're conserving energy, when we're conserving water, we're doing it in a positive way to help the environment, but it's also a smart business decision.
In the case of water efficiency, whether you're talking about a toilet or a shower head, many of those products don't add any cost. They've been designed to be efficient, so you can save water without having to pay for it up front.
The ability to have anybody look to the future to say, how can I have a positive impact on that future, becomes somebody you want to do business with, whether it's Kohler, whether it's the solar panel companies. If you look at a company that says, I'm going to find a way to use less water to flush a toilet, and you think about that around the world, then they are having an impact on this planet that's very positive.